Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Perfect. My channel name is Perfective. I welcome all to you on my channel. If you still not like, subscribe, share my channel, well immediately like, subscribe, share my channel. If you want more earn at your home to watch my complete this video, now start our new project, Loud, Pancakeswap Countdown. Guys, we shall inform you all about this project, how many you will invest about this project and how many you will earn. Alright, we start our new project. Loud Pancakeswap Countdown 00 days, 00 hours, 00 minutes, 00 seconds. Buy on Pancakeswap. What is Loud? Dollar Loud is the Binance Smart Chain BSC token built to support Loud market NFT marketplace. The platform has been created to empower musicians and artists is selling their works as NFT instantly as fair price with no hidden fees. Our platform gives artists the opportunity to promote their media and creators and other source of income in the form of intense cryptocurrency payments. NFT can be listed at a single sale price or sold through action. Actually, artists can include royalty fees, generating them theme presenting of all futures. Dollar Loud tokens will be accepted as payment by the content creators, musicians, and artists, and content 0% fee NFT sales, marketing opportunity, and proposal for artist agent opportunity built in royalty features. Sell your sound, audio, and music for cryptocurrency. Big expenses planned for Loud with new feature. Zero fee happy artist. Did you know expert estimate artists see only for 14% of all profit within the music industry here at Loud? We believe that the artists that use our marketplace deserve to keep 100% of their revenue. As such, there no one inbuilt fee taken by the marketplace when using the negatives Loud tokens. Loud market will be continue to be updated and developed. Loud market TD, the British creation behind Loud market investment fund, will be raised through the Loud ICO as well as advertisement and partnership. Loud will also raise revenue for marketing development and exchange listing by selling the dedicated teams fund. Loud development mood, building the platform, branding and design, blockchain and economic back end V1.0, front end 1.0. You can access the beta V1.0 platform by click here. Techonomic, the important stuff. Address 0. Address. This is address. You can help this address. Name Loud market. Ticker holder. Demical 18. Max supply 100 billions. Custom written contract 2%. Red distributions, tax reward to holder 1% liquidity pool tax, 1% buyback function, 2% marketing wallet tax. Want to incentive join the pre-sales. Pancake, how to join? We will be the hosting the pre-sale on Pink Sales, warm or dedicated cryptocurrency launch platform which have future as allowing liquidity to be assigned for funds marketing development to also rise. Our aim is to rise 1000 BNB, assign 5% to liquidity 500, assign the other 50% to team fund development and marketing 500. Pre-sale price will be approx dollar 0.0 per token, 41 500 loud BNB. Join pre-sales. Loud is audited by Ragbusters. Audit results. This token press our audit we did find some scores for potential exploit in the contract. However, those were all only owner functions, and we do not believe that tokens funders and are bad artists. Read more. Can you click here? You read more. Loud is KYC verified by Ideal Press Als.com. As idealpress.com team, we have conducted read more roadmap Q2021 Q2022 pre-launch economic and launch website launch marketplace development marketing perceptions industry research artists accounts social media setup register as company startup pre-sales V1 beta and a fellow launch a light paper resale, white paper resale, social media expansion, marketing and BR resales, V20 0 point preparations and designing artists immunity, V2 launch beta, fellow launch rent office in London, record label partnership, continue marketing exchange, listening global expand platform future expand. Future music industry exposed the futures exchange listening press releasing future expand V3 planning and designing employ growth partnership increase loud use case target like a mainstream artist. What is the V20 vision? At Loud, we believe that ongoing development should be a main priority. Empowering our platform and future will create a better experience for the creator. WOM use the marketplace, create a second to non-platform requires on the going. Why not stay with V20 zero? Vision 1 was built invalidity to lay the base on which Loud would be formed. In simple terms, what will be different with V20 V2.0? Vision 2 will focus on the user interface and the front end of the platform. In other words, make the website look elegant and to beautiful the eye. Now we have completed the back end. We are able to focus on the front end, what the users see and experience. What is the current status on V2 point and when will it be released? Currently, we are still in the design and planning stage of the V2 build. However, we are nearing the end and expect the development. V1 designing planning V2.0 development 10%, V2 point designing planning 18%. Read our latest news. All news, can you click here? You watch the all news. The NFT market statistics. NFT trending has increased directly each month of 2021 with August trending volume setting over $3.2 billion. Learn more. Can you click here? You read more. The music industry statistics revenue for the music industry has been the rise of the past 7 years due to streaming and online companies. Learn more. Loud market our companies, and currently loudft.co or below. Loud market our community. Cryptocurrency 2021, NFT CEO all right reserved. You can get so much earning from this video without waste our time. Guys, if you did not understand anything from my video, you can ask from this video link. You can help this link. uh, uh, Contact us Twitter, Telegram, Instagram. Guys, see you in next video. Take care.